dark and stormy night.
Tell me a story, Pencil.
It was a dark and stormy night. Dark clouds gathered in the sky above, casting dark shadows. And all the children were in a dark, dark mood.
Oh, really, Pencil? Such a dark, gloomy story. Lighten up.
This is my dark period.
Well, make it lighter.
Perhaps a kiss from you would brighten my spirits. You are the sun that lights my sky, turning night into day, my gloom into glow, my shadow into shine.
Just tell the story, Pencil.
At once. Then the sun came out, the flowers grew, the butterflies flew, and the children were happy again. And it's all because of you.
Oh, I just love happy endings.
I'm feeling a little lightheaded.